Rain. So excited. Yay. Pie is done. Hot and piping out of the oven. Delicious. Okay. Piping hot. Y'all see that steam? Whoo! That is beautiful. Look at the bubbling right there. Y'all see that bubbling? So we're just gonna look. I want y'all to see how moist that dressing is. Look at that. We're just gonna do a little taste in the corner. Y'all can see what that dressing looks like. Ooh-wee. Let mama taste that.
No, let that cool.
Oh, you gonna blow it? Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna eat. So y'all see how that crust on that side? That is good. Ooh, that's good, honey. And it's nice and moist, right? Doesn't that look wonderful? So I can just fill that back up over there. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Has really good color, and you can add whatever color bell peppers you want with this. You can put yellow and red bell peppers in this. My family always use just green bell pepper, but you can add that as well. But just the flakiness, look at that.
Oh, this is some slap your mama.
I'm gonna taste this a little bit, you guys. Oh, that moisture. Let's get that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it is hot. So let me, it's good? Well, okay, you guys, I'm gonna taste this. Not showing you me because I'm looking a hot mess. But here we go. Oh, absolutely amazing. Delicious. It's beautiful. I'll put the fork in. Look at that. Really, really good. Okay, you guys, so I just want to show you that the sweet potato, how it came out. You see how it's coming off the edge really nice? That's how you know it's done. And we're just going to do a little taste test. Okay? Look how pretty that is. Did you see that texture? It's nice. It's just what we wanted. That right there, that's going to be a good bite. So let me taste it. Oh my goodness. Josh is going to want his own spoon. Let me get you that little bit. There we go. That's a good bite. Still steaming. Fantastic, you guys. Perfect amount of nuts. See how it's perfectly taken out that corner? And then the texture right there. That's a good sweet potato souffle. You guys, look at these baby hens, or what do you call these? Cornish hens. Look at that one right there. Ah, the bag did fantastic. I even have gravy. If y'all can see that gravy running down in the bottom of here. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna open this. It's got so much steam coming out, if y'all can see that. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead on and ripped the bag open. I'm going to take these out, put them in Old Faithful here, and I'm going to take all that beautiful stock and I'm going to make a gravy, okay, you guys? But look how beautiful these turned out in the bag. Nice and moist. Look at that. This is almost about to just come apart. Okay, you guys, this is a better look for the Cornish hens. Absolutely delicious. They are completely falling apart, y'all. They may be ugly, but they taste good. Stay tuned. Sauteing onions now, you guys, so that I can make some homemade gravy, okay? Stay tuned. Almost done with the gravy. Just getting this nice and brown so it can be a rich color. Stay tuned. Gravy almost done, y'all.